Hello friends, welcome to Abednego Online Math. We are looking at how to solve 3 raised to power x raised to power 2 divided by 9 raised to power x equals to 81. So first what we're going to do is we're going to have our 3 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals to 3 raised to power 2 is 9 raised to power x here equals to 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. That is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times give you 81. So we can write this as 3 raised to power x raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2 times x is what? 2x equals to 3 raised to power 4. So then the next thing we are going to do is that we're going to have 3 raised to power, since the base are the same and we are dividing these numbers from the rules of indices. We are going to subtract the powers. We're going to have x square minus the power here is 2x, then equals to 3 raised to power 4. So if we have that, since we have 3 into x squared minus 2x equals to 3 raised to power 4. Now the base are the same. We can equate the powers now. So once we equate the powers, we are going to have x squared minus 2x equals to 4. So if we collect like term and rearrange, we're going to have x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. That is what we're going to have. Now, the next thing we are going to have, we have a quadratic equation here. In our quadratic equation, remember, a form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So if we compare now, our a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to minus 4. So if that be the case, we bring our quadratic formula. Quadratic formula says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is what the quadratic formula states. So if we apply that, we are going to have our x become minus b. That is minus, our b is minus 2, plus or minus square root of minus 2 square, minus 4 times a is 1, c is minus 4. Yeah, divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1. So if we have that, what are we going to have in total? We are going to have our x. We're going to have our x becomes 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square is 4 plus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2. So the next thing we're going to have is x equals to 2 plus or minus square root of 20 divided by 2. So our x becomes 2 plus or minus 20 can be written as 4 times 5 divided by 2. Then x becomes, what are we going to have here? 2 plus or minus 2 root 5, because the square root of 4 is 2. So 5 over what? 2. So x becomes, this 2 is common, so 2 can cancel, this is common, so we're going to have 1 plus or minus square root of 5. So if we have that, the first value of x becomes, x1 becomes 1 plus square root of 5. Then the second value of x becomes 1 minus square root of 5. So leaving our answers in short form, that is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Go through the video once again, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.